To add multiple stops on Lyft, start by opening the Lyft app and setting your pickup location. Once you have set your pickup location, enter your final destination in the drop-off field. Next, tap the plus sign icon next to the drop-off field to access the Add Stop feature. This will allow you to add multiple stops to your route. Enter the address of your first stop, and then select the stop from the search results. You can add up to 5 stops in total, and the app will optimize the route to include all of your stops in the most efficient order. As you add each stop, the app will update the estimated time and cost of your ride, so you can see how the additional stops will affect your trip. When you have added all of your stops, review the route to make sure it is correct, and then confirm the request your driver will receive the updated route, including all of your stops, and will navigate to each location in the order you specified. It is a good idea to communicate with your driver throughout the trip, especially if you have a complex route with multiple stops. This will help ensure that everything goes smoothly and that you arrive at your final destination on time. By following these steps, you can easily add multiple stops to your Lyft ride, making it a convenient and efficient way to get where you need to go.